Here are some of the main departments you might find in a hotel. 1. Front office. This department is responsible for guest check-in and check-out, handling reservations, providing information about the hotel and surrounding area, and addressing any guest concerns or complaints. Point 2. Housekeeping. The housekeeping department is responsible for cleaning and maintaining guest rooms, public areas, and other hotel facilities. They also manage guest laundry services and supply guest amenities. Point 3. Food and beverage. The food and beverage department is responsible for the hotel's restaurants, bars, and room service. They manage the kitchen, bar, and dining staff, as well as menu planning and ordering supplies. Point 4. Sales and marketing. This department is responsible for promoting the hotel to potential guests, managing the hotel's online presence, and organizing events and promotions. Point 5. Human resources. The human resources department is responsible for hiring and training hotel staff.